Let's show you our new stickers. Any Uggs?
Yes.
Oh, wind's died down. So we've put one on the back. Just zoom in. Can you see that? Motorhomes and camper vans against litter. There it is. Showed you on the last video. Facebook group. And the other one is there. Of course, camper vans and motorhomes are getting a bad press at the minute, saying they're making a mess and whatever. So, you know, if you're trying to be active against litter and stuff, it might help. We're leaving the mountain road now. Oh god, them bricks were close to the edge. And we are heading to a little country park. So, I'll show you there when we get there. Won't we, dear?
Yes, we are.
And then you'll see the dodgy bend again going down here. You can probably just see it. See if I can zoom in. It's only 20 down here as well. Yeah, skid marks of dickhead boy racers everywhere.
Yeah.
But look, this is a bend. I can't even get it on the bloody thing. Ooh, we have to do it in the middle of the road. Yeah, we have rain again, but I don't think it's going to be for long. There's sheep running in the road and we don't know how because there's a cattle grid there. And they're running really mad. They're slowing down now. They're going to get hurt, man. We've got our hazards on. Well, we did that. Well, I did tell Carl to put them on. Go on, sheepy, you stay there. Oh, aren't the dino dog getting killed?
Go for the face there.
Lovely weather again, ain't we?
Yeah.
But might test some coal sealant that he did, but we don't think it's heavy enough to test it, but we shall see.
I'm not holding the breath.
What, not holding your breath for it to test it or for it to not leak?
leaking.
Ah, right. Well, we'll see, won't we?
Yeah.
Right. Past here.
Gonna be tight, we'll get through.
You think we'll get through?
Got no through.
Oh, as long as I know we're here.
Go through those slowly.
Yeah, watch the big bricks. Just got to our spot. Hopefully we'll be here all night. See how we get on. Carl's putting it on chocks again because our fridge is crap if we're on the wonk. Oh, they're moving bad. You just pushed them forward and then you went up on them a bit and then you just pushed them forward. How wonk?
It's this funny.
Yeah, how wonk is the fridge? You need to...
Better than what it was.
Hopefully you could see them. Right, so that's where we are. Nothing saying you can't overnight. So hopefully we won't get a knock on the door. Cycle trail too. Anyway, Uggs,
Yes.
what do you think of it here so far?
Quiet. Apart from them bloody birds making all that noise.
Yeah. No, birds are alright.
Yep.
We like hearing the birdies.
Well, we'll have some drink, we'll have something to eat. We'll go for a walk, have a nose.
Yeah. But I think I'm going to really like it here. But I will say to people, again, if you turn up here, more than 1 or 2 vans, just do one and park somewhere else. I mean, it might not be your cup of tea anyway, because there ain't really anything to do here apart from walk in nature. But if that's your type of thing, then come here. Any? But you know, if you get loads of vans here, they'll put a height barrier on, and then that will be the end of that.
Yep, and the place wrecked.
Yeah.
Like Aberystwyth.
I know. Sometimes you feel like you don't want to share something in case it gets ruined, but you know, we're trying to film what we're doing, so we've got to do what we do. So, because it's been raining since we got here, we've only just got out and it's about 6 o'clock. But that's the different walks you can do, and we're going to do just the Caron walk, which is an hour because of the time, unfortunately. But if you're a nature lover, there's meant to be lizards and all sorts here. Bird hides, bog hides. Yeah, it does look really nice here. Definitely come here again. Won't we, dear?
Yep.
So, it's just a shame it's been raining and we haven't been able to get out. Still a bit naff now, but we'll see. See what it's like in the morning. Might be able to get out quick again in the morning. Do a bit of a different route. Dogs on a lead on the Caron walk. You can have your dogs off a lead on the old railway walk, and then the riverside walk, I presume it's just no dogs at all. All you can hear, apart from Cole's feet, Gorbo, is birdies and sheep. So peaceful here. Get a bit closer. Okay, Mr. Heron, I don't want to hurt you. Don't want to upset you now. You're okay. Let's go slowly. You're beautiful, you are. Ain't ya? I've never been this close to a heron, ever. Oh, you can see him. There he is, look. Amazing. I used to get him over the road from the old days all the time, but you could never get that close. Oh, you're losing your balance, you nutter. Hey? You look young, you do. Oh, can't film you all day, can I? I'm gonna have to go. It's a shame. Amazing. Can't believe that, heron. That was amazing, weren't it, Mr. B? He said he knows it was. Anyway, we're walking to the bog hide because this is the bog walk. It's like a boardwalk. You just turn off to go to the hide and then go back up and carry on along the footpath. But it's only like 100 metres down here. Then we'll carry on the main walk. Big wooden heron carving. Very nice. And that's a map of all the birdies you'll see. In English and in Welsh. Gorgeous view out the hide window. Right, we're going to carry on walking. It's too warm in here for knocking mons because they've been made out of glass. Yeah, so we're going to carry on. But probably see some really good wildlife from here. Back on the main footpath again. Well, boardwalk. It does say it's another half an hour, which is fine. Nookie had a proper walk today anyway. And an hour ain't nothing for Nookie Pop. Need to find out what you are. You don't want to move, do you? So we're making our way back now. Just met a local walking his dog. Really nice man. Really nice here, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, he said. Bird song and water. Shame we couldn't get out for longer, but been really nice. Trying to work out what that bird is. So we're back on the main track now. Really like it here. Definitely come here again. I mean, I'd stay a second night if we could, but we need to move on. We want to get up to Anglesey to see Stephen from Country Van Life TV, and we want to get parked up Thursday night before you get the weekenders getting up there on Friday night. So we'll see you on the next one. You're gonna wave, boy. Bye.
Bye everybody.
Bye. Say bye, Nookie Manst.
Nookie said, happy motorhome.
Did
He did.
Okay. Bye.
Bye.